Hello students, let us discuss about the conductance of electrolytic solution. Conductance of an electrolyte is the ease with which the current flows through the electrolyte. So conductance क्या है? किसी solution में से कितनी आसानी से current flow कर सकता है. That property is called conductance. Conductance is defined as the reciprocal of the resistance. Resistance का reciprocal that is called conductance. Conductance को हम C कैपिटल C से डिनोट करते हैं. So कैपिटल C इक्वल टू 1/R. ये हो जाएगा कंडक्टेंस का फॉर्मूला. C इक्वल टू 1/R. यूनिट ऑफ कंडक्टेंस. कंडक्टेंस की जो यूनिट है दैट इज ओम इनवर्स और MHO महो. ओम इनवर्स को महो उसके लेटर्स को रिवर्स करके भी लिखा जाता है. Now let us discuss about resistance. Resistance of any conductor or electrolyte is directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to the area of cross section. From here we can write the formula resistance are proportional to length upon area. Now put the proportionality constant rho. Rho is called resistivity. Therefore, the formula becomes R equal to rho into L upon A. From here, calculate the value of rho, resistivity. Rho equal to R into area upon length. Remind, R is the resistance. If we calculate the resistance per unit length, then it is called specific resistance, and that specific resistance is called resistivity. Unit of resistivity is ohm centimeter or ohm meter in the SI system. Next is specific conductance, also called conductivity. It is defined as the reciprocal of specific resistance. Specific resistance that is called resistivity. Resistivity के inverse को ही क्या कहा जाता है? Conductivity. So we can write the formula of कंडक्टिविटी. कंडक्टिविटी को हम डिनोट करते हैं कापा, जो कि के की तरह बनता है, ग्रीक लेटर है. कापा इक्वल टू 1/रो. रो इज कॉल्ड रेजिस्टिविटी. नाउ पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ रो. इट बिकम्स कापा इक्वल टू L/R into A. Put 1/R equal to conductance C and L/A equal to cell constant capital G star. The formula becomes conductivity equal to conductance multiplied by cell constant. Unit of conductivity is ohm inverse centimeter inverse or ohm inverse meter inverse. Important fact we must remind. The first is resistance. Resistance is what? Resistance is the oppose caused by various factors, maybe collision, maybe temperature, maybe density, in the flow of electrons. That is called resistance. Next, inverse of resistance is called conductance. Resistance का जो inverse होगा उसको हमने क्या कहा है? Conductance. Next, the resistance per unit length. The resistance of 1 centimeter of any wire is called resistivity, and the inverse of resistivity is called conductivity. So, resistivity, resistance, conductivity, conductance, all these four properties are connected with each other. Inverse of resistance is conductance, and resistance of 1 meter length or 1 centimeter is called resistivity. Next is molar conductance or molar conductivity. It is defined as the conductance of all the ions produced by 1 gram mole of the electrolyte in the solution. In simple words, we can say the conductivity of all the ions produced by 1 mole of electrolyte in 1 liter solution, means 1 molar solution, is called molar conductivity. Molar conductivity is denoted by lambda m. Lambda is again a Greek letter. Lambda m is equal to specific conductivity multiplied by 1000 divided by molarity. Unit of molar conductivity is ohm inverse centimeter square per mole. सो 1 मोलर सॉल्यूशन की कंडक्टिविटी को मोलर कंडक्टिविटी कहा जाएगा। नेक्स्ट इज इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस। Equivalent conductance is defined as the conductance of all the ions produced by 1 gram equivalent of the electrolyte in 1 liter solution. It is denoted by lambda E. Lambda is again a Greek letter. Lambda E equal to kappa multiplied by 1000 divided by concentration. So here kappa is the specific conductance, also called conductivity, and C is the concentration. Here we use normality. Unit of equivalent conductivity is Simon centimeter square per gram equivalent. Molar conductivity is inversely proportional to molarity, and equivalent conductivity is inversely proportional to normality of the solution. Next is the effect of dilution. After dilution, the conductance of an electrolyte increases because after dilution, more and more ions are formed in the solution. Number of ions ज़्यादा होंगे तो conductance भी ज़्यादा होगी. The specific conductance, that means conductivity, of the solution decreases after dilution because after dilution, the number of ions per liter of the solution decreases. Number of ions 1 liter solution में कम होंगे जिसकी वजह से specific conductance मतलब conductivity कम हो जाएगी, conductivity decreases. After dilution, the molar conductivity and equivalent conductivity increases because the molar conductivity and equivalent conductivities are inversely proportional to the volume of the solution. So both increases. Next is limiting molar conductivity. Limiting molar conductivity is defined as the conductivity of an electrolyte at infinite dilution. That is, when the solution is so dilute that any further dilution does not bring about any change in the molar conductivity. So after dilution, the molar conductivity increases, and the increment is continued till a stage is reached when the interionic forces becomes negligible. That means ये वो लास्ट मैक्सिमम कंडक्टिविटी है जहां पर डायल्यूशन करने के बाद कंडक्टिविटी का मैक्सिमम इंक्रीमेंट हो सकता है. That is called limiting molar conductivity. It is denoted by lambda naught m. Lambda is the conductivity, m denotes molar conductivity, and naught denotes the limiting molar conductivity, lambda naught m. Next is Colruyt's law for limiting molar conductivity. It is also called the law of independent migration of ions. It states that at infinite dilution, when the dissociation of electrolyte is complete, each ion make a definite contribution towards the molar conductivity of electrolyte, irrespective of their nature of the other ion with which it is associated. It means जो आयंस सॉल्यूशन में प्रेजेंट होंगे वो सभी आयंस कंडक्टिविटी के लिए इंडिविजुअली कंट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. एक आयन की कंडक्टिविटी किसी दूसरे आयन पर डिपेंडेड नहीं होगी. वी कैन ऑल्सो से दैट मोलर कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट at infinite dilution can be expressed as sum of the contribution from its individual ions.